What's up, YouTube fam? In today's video, I am doing a hair straightening routine. I washed my hair, conditioned my hair already, and I'm going in with this John Frieda Frizz Ease. If you've seen any of my hair straightening videos, you know this is my go-to to prevent frizz and just try to get a super sleek, straight look. So this is my natural hair, my natural curl pattern. I'm just moisturizing with the John Frieda. I guess it's not really moisturizing, but just working it through my hair, my washed and conditioned hair. Making sure I get it all the way through. Once the John Frieda Frizz Ease is all throughout, then I go in with this Cantu ThermaShield heat protectant. Sometimes I switch up my heat protectants. I use this. I've also been using the Taraji P. Henson heat protectant. So just make sure you have a good heat protectant so we can prevent heat damage. Nobody wants that. Spray it all over, nice and good. Work it through your hair before you get to blow drying. Okay, now I know a lot of people have clips that they use to separate their hair. Honestly, for me, I just use what I have, so I'm using a scrunchie. If you've seen my John Frieda Frizz Ease or my other hair tutorials, you know I try to do as little sections as possible. When I'm blow drying my hair, especially since I have a little method down pat. So I'm trying to do 4 sections here. Just grabbing I use my comb attachment blow dryer, taking it through. And again, this John Frieda Frizz Ease has been a game changer for me. Again, not sponsored, but I found it on YouTube, a few videos a couple years ago. People suggesting this product, and so I've been using it on myself and my daughter's hair ever since. And it just works wonders and somehow just cuts down my blow drying time so much. So I'm just going section by section, starting at the ends and working it through. Before I go in with the comb attachment blow dryer, I make sure my hair is detangled with a wig brush or some other type of brush before I go in with the blow dryer. So I'm just gonna do this all over until I feel like my hair is as straight as possible with the blow dryer and completely dry. Okay, y'all, so now it's completely dry. I'm just kind of brushing it with the wig brush, just making sure I don't feel any wetness in my hair before I go in with the flat iron. Now, I have a couple of flat irons. This is my Old Faithful Remington. I also have my my Babyliss, which is a miracle worker. I mean, it does go up to higher temperatures, which can be worse on your hair. So I go back and forth between these two. But just taking a little section at a time on my completely blow dried hair and just working with the little rat tail comb and then the flat iron and kind of going in both or with both until my hair is completely slick. So I usually do like 1 or 2 passes with this flat iron. So I'm just going to do this all over until my hair gets as straight as I desire. Okay, so I did my complete head. This is pretty sleek, pretty straight, and it's fine, but I actually want straight with a little body. So we're going to, once we completely flat iron our entire head, then I'm gonna go in and put some little, curls at the end so I can just give it a little bit more style. Like again, the straightness is fine, but I feel like my ends aren't trimmed here. And I don't really like the super bone straight look unless my ends are like really, really on point. So first I'm just putting a little bit of edge control on my edges, a little edge tamer, just because I want a super sleek like finished look. So I'm gonna do that, put my scarf on, and then go in with the flat iron in like a turning motion to curl my hair. And I'll let you guys watch the rest of the video so you can see the final look. Hope you guys like my hair tutorials. Check out my beauty playlist for more. And I will see you guys in the next video.